It is warm, it is sunny, there's no wind, there's no clouds, and best of all, the streets are like relatively empty, because usually if there was a beautiful day like this in the middle of May, okay, today is officially 100% unequivocally, undebatably the best day of 2020. I know that's not saying much. We've had a very 2020. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 28 degrees in New York.
I don't know what 28 degrees in Fahrenheit is. What is 28 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
28 degrees Celsius is
82 degrees. It's freaking amazing outside today. I would 100% absolutely love nothing more than to spend the entirety of the day outside hanging out and spending time in this beautiful weather, but unfortunately we do need to get back home for a variety of reasons, but one of which is that today we're unboxing literally the greatest sneaker unboxing I have ever had in the history of my YouTube career. But first, I need to make a very quick, very important announcement. If you guys saw a couple weeks ago, I did a couple financial videos, how much money I make videos, how I invest my money videos, and you guys absolutely loved them. So as a result, I decided to make an entire new channel all about finance, investing, how I make money, how I save my money, how I plan to grow wealth, how you can also do that. I just uploaded my second video on the channel, and I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out and be one of the first 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers on the channel. Link in the description. By no means do you have to. If you're not interested in that kind of stuff, that's perfectly fine. But if you are interested in that kind of stuff, planning for your future, learning how to invest, investing in the stock market, investing in real estate, making money overall, then link down in the description. But that being said, we need to get back and unbox a pair of shoes. Okay, this pair of shoes is like really good. I don't want to overhype it. I know sometimes YouTubers overpromise a little bit, teensy tiny little bit. Not overpromising this one. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this package. I have been doing YouTube for 7 years, 4 of them professionally. And this is by far the best thing I have ever got in the mail. I am so excited. I do need to give a huge thank you to who these are from, and that would be from Champions Kicks on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link right at the top of the description. And also, I mean, Champions Kicks, you guys know how to spell. They sent these over, and they are a really cool like membership sneaker group where you pay $5 a month to be part of it, except then as a result of paying that $5 a month, they just put that money back into giving you amazing deals for sneakers. So on their site right now, I saw they have Toro Bravo Jordan 4s for $125. They're doing a huge restock on May 23rd. We'll talk more about it later in the video. Champions Kicks, link down in the description. Go check them out. But now we need to look at these. I seriously cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness, these are better than I could have even ever imagined. My brain is freaking out right now. Jordan 1 Breads, my favorite shoes of all time. These released this particular, oh my goodness, these are getting so, look at the heel there. It's all dirty and scraped up and heel drag from wearing them for 4 years. I really need to clean these. I mean, I don't clean my shoes on a daily basis, but I think you should have some pride in your possessions, and these are just looking really worse for wear. These came out September 2016, as I was saying though, and this is my favorite shoe in existence that I've ever owned, touched, worn, etc. They're getting beat up though, as we saw, so this has sort of taken a back seat in my rotation and has no longer been like one of my go-to favorite shoes, simply because I love this shoe so much and want to save it for special occasions and don't want to trash it and don't want to destroy it. Sort of left the door open for other shoes that I started wearing. I mean, I've been wearing the Shadow ones a lot. I've been wearing the white metallic navy ones. The gym red ones have been like my daily go-tos. I'll be straight up honest with you, I don't get like emotional about shoes hardly ever. I mean, I think they're a very cool thing. Obviously, I talk about them all the time. but I don't get like emotionally attached to shoes. I'm emotionally attached to this pair of shoes, 100%. I would be like sad if I lost these, or if I had to, I would be very sad if I didn't have these. Enough talking, enough talking, enough talk. This is the best unboxing we've ever had in the history of the channel. These will be put over here. All right, let's get adjusted. Are you guys ready? 3, 2. You ever been to the doctor and the doctor's like 3, 2, and then they stab you with the needle on 2? Who told the doctor that was a good idea? One time I moved and he missed the vein, so then he just had to stab me a second. If you had just counted to 3 properly, doctor, there would have been no issue. Look at them! Look at them! Oh my god, brand new, fresh, beautiful, unworn. It is crazy how dirty these are. Look at the color difference of the toe box, because these have like mud all over them and dirt and New York sludge. New York has this very interesting substance. It's not water, it's not dirt. It doesn't matter if it's raining, sunny, dry, wet, winter, summer, spring. There's just like this black film that ends up on everything that touches the ground. This is just great news. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so look at this. The red laces, the white laces, they're brand new, size 12. I really like how they put the size right there. I thought that was cool. Wow, 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 wow. The leather quality, the craftsmanship, the colors. You can really tell how dirty these ones are, putting these side to side. This is the greatest unboxing. I can't believe that I don't care what happens to these anymore. I can wear these every day as much as I want. I can enjoy them. I can beat the crap out of them. I can literally do whatever I want with them now that I have a completely fresh pair. I can't believe it. Champions Kicks, thank you so much. Wow, 2 pairs of bread. I feel like the richest man on earth right now. I don't usually get this excited about possessions, but I genuinely feel like the richest man on earth right now. This is absolutely incredible. I don't know what it is about this shoe. Maybe like this just symbolizes everything that I've worked for, everything that all the effort I've put into YouTube and shoes and what I do and building this audience that we have, this community and family that we have here. For whatever reason, this shoe symbolizes all of that for me, and just to be able to get a fresh pair that I'm gonna cherish these and take very good care of them. This is surreal to have these. Now at this point in the video, I do need to tell you guys some more about Champions Kicks. So as I said, they are a great membership service. They have a $5 monthly membership, which is really affordable. And basically how that works is that you sign up and you pay a $5 membership fee to get access to a whole bunch of awesome deals. They take that $5 that you give them, are able to buy shoes. Let's say they buy a pair of shoes for $200, then they're gonna sell those shoes that cost $200 to you for $120 because a bunch of people are paying them $5 a month. And obviously some people don't utilize the subscription service, which is how the business model works. But for you guys that are gonna be super active on the site, it gives you a chance to buy a bunch of really cool sneakers for way under market value. They were nice enough to send over my favorite pair of shoes on earth. So the very least, I'd really appreciate it if you guys go give them a follow on Instagram. Once again, link is in the description for that. I honestly still can't freaking believe that I'm holding 2 pairs of bread ones. 2 pairs of bread ones. Okay, it is official that this is 100% undoubtedly, without a debate, this is the best time of the year by far. I always get so excited by the middle of May when the weather starts getting really nice and the sun starts setting later. I mean, I'm done all my work for the day. It is now 6:30 in the evening and there's still a full hour and 45 minutes left of sunlight, which is freaking amazing. I'm supposed to be meeting up with Joe later this evening. I don't really know when, so I thought I would come down to the river, sit in the park, and read a book. This is really just a time killer until I meet up with Joe. Still no sign of Joe. I don't know where the man is, but there was police officers walking around just giving people masks. I don't know who says New Yorkers aren't nice. NYPD, thank you for the free mask. I will wear it proudly. I wish I had like a Sharpie so I could write cool designs on it. That would be sick. Hey.
You got a mask on too? What's up?
Yeah, the cops gave me a mask. It was really cool. They were just walking around the park giving people masks.
No, they weren't.
Yeah, they were.
Central Park?
No, right here.
That's nice.
They gave me. Yeah, I know. They gave me 2.
Thanks, NYPD.
It's 9:30 p.m. on a Thursday evening. It should be very busy in the city, and yet I'm driving the wrong way down 5th Avenue. This is a massive traffic violation, but it's fine because there's like one car.